everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and type in www.paypal.com and search. Sign into your account if necessary by clicking on the login button at the upper right. Type in your email and your password and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go and click on the settings button at the upper right and you'll end up in your profile. In order to change your password, go to the security tab at the top. You'll be able to see a password option. Click on the update link right next to your password and type in your current password for your account. On the next field, type in the new password that you would like to change to. Confirm the new password one more time and make sure both of the passwords in the boxes matches. If it does not, you won't be able to change your password. Finally, after you've done typing in your password, click on change password and you'll be able to update your password or change your password for your PayPal account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.